just got this new microphone set. It's 2 microphones and an adapter. So let's plug it in for the first time and see if it works like it's supposed to. All right, I am now using it and I'm gonna walk away. I'm about 10 feet away. Now I'm probably about 20 feet away and I'm gonna go into a different room. It's a bathroom. And shut the door. If you can still hear me the same, then it is working. If you couldn't hear me, then it wasn't working. So let's see how that turned out and if this is a good product or not.